Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what OMG is doing today. So like I mentioned in the video from yesterday, our target is $2.60 or so. So we had this, this last few days of rallying, and this is a double bottom. Just like I mentioned last time, and I've been watching this for a while, double bottom. And if you measure from your neckline to your low, anywhere between 260 to 240, it's what you're going to be looking at, because the symmetry of this double bottom is not perfect. I mean, nothing is perfect. If not, we will all be billionaires by now. But this is kind of what I'm looking at. I do want to get long this. Now, the only problem if I get long right now, this is very risky business, and I don't like it right at this moment. I feel like the bus left. Now I have to wait for the next one. So this is what I'm looking at once this rally stalls. So we're probably going to hit anywhere between 240 and 260. If we go short, we're probably going to hit 240 and then drop lower. And if we will go on the high end, we're probably going to hit the 260. Now, right after that, I mean, we still have Ethereum outperforming Bitcoin, which, as I mentioned before, that's the #1 video you guys should always be watching if you guys trade alts. So depending on where we're sitting and how bad Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin is going to be our targets here. I mean, if we rally all the way to 240 and then all of a sudden Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, but we hit the trend line of resistance, and then we're more likely going to see the pullback. Now, if there's another massive rally today, and Ethereum Bitcoin just kind of rallies a little bit, and then we still have a little ways to go. I mean, if we break, higher than the 78% retracement, I'm going to say, oh man, what was I thinking? But right after, like I said, we have to pay attention to that pair, because that pair tells us a little piece of the puzzle, and you definitely want to know as much as you can when you're putting it all together. I do want to see when you have this kind of rallies just literally going straight to the moon, it usually ends up in massive pullbacks. So what I want to be seeing is, once we complete our double bottom, then pull back to the 38% retracement, so $1.41. That way you have the 20 and the 200-day moving average doing catch up. I mean, I don't think the 200-day moving average is going to fly catch up, but especially if we have this massive rally and then a massive pullback, it will be probably the 20-day moving average will do some catch up. And then the 200-day moving average will be at the 23% retracement. So I will be looking, if I'm going to get into this position, see how price behaves around the $1.40 and $1.41 mark. Depending on how price behaves here, then that's going to be my trigger to go long on this. As of right now, I got to stand aside, because first the reward doesn't check out, and if it doesn't check out, sorry, as much as I would love to do it, even if Warren Buffett tells me, hey, this is going to go up, I still wouldn't do it, because you have to have a lot of discipline to do this kind of stuff. So and the other thing that you're looking at is, I mean, look at the RSI. The RSI is like, dude, it's like a 90, so that way it has some chance to pull down and then kind of reset the RSI so we can move into our next leg higher. I mean, I don't want to be talking about the next leg higher just like everyone else. Oh, it's gonna go to 15 or 14. I don't like doing that. I like to trade based on price action. So if the price is telling me this is going to happen, and I believe the price, that's the best way that I found of trading. The candles tell me a little bit of a piece of a story. If you guys like that video, hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to hit this, to smash the like button, because we want everyone else in the world to know about us. That way they can also make educated decisions, so they get out of the rat race, just like everyone else. We want to make a little bit of money here and there, so we don't live paycheck to paycheck. So thanks again, guys.